Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Dental Practice series brought to you by Dr. Sheetal Gupta Dental Clinic. I am Dr. Sheetal Gupta, and today we are decoding an ancient practice that has been taken the modern wellness world by storm, that is, oil pulling. You have probably seen it on social media, swishing oil into your mouth to improve oral health. But is it just a trend, or is there any real science behind it? Today we are looking at research to tell you exactly how it works and where it fits into your dental routine. First, what is it? The oil pulling, known in Ayurveda as Kaval Graha, involves swishing an edible oil, usually coconut, sesame, and sunflower oil, into your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. You may wonder but how does it actually clean my teeth? The science relies on two main mechanisms. Number one is viscosity. A thick oil traps bacteria, food particles, and debris from deep pockets that a toothbrush might miss. Number two is a chemical process that known as saponification. When the oil mixes with the alkali in your saliva, it forms a soap-like substances. And this soap emulsifies the oil and allowing it to scrub away the fatty outer coating of the bacteria and effectively lifting them off your teeth and gum. Now, let us look at the evidence. We are not just relying on anecdote here. We have clinical studies backing this up. One key study published in Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research focused on Streptococcus mutans, the primary bacteria responsible for tooth decay. The study found out that after just 2 weeks of oil pulling with coconut oil, there was a statistically significant reduction in bacterial count comparable to the results seen with chlorhexidine, a common medicated mouthwash. Another study found out that oil pulling significantly reduced plaque-induced gingivitis. The anti-inflammatory properties of oil, especially coconut oil, which contains lauric acid, helped soothe the swollen gum and reduce bleeding. Now, let us see the recommended way of doing it. Take 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed organic coconut or sesame oil, swish it gently around your mouth, push and pull it through your teeth for 15 to 20 minutes. Do not gargle in your throat. This is crucial. Spit the oil into the trash and never swallow the oil because it contains full of bacteria and toxin you have just pulled out from your mouth. Finally, rinse with the warm saline water and brush your teeth as usual. Final word of caution: while the science is promising, the oil pulling is just an adjunct therapy. It does not replace your brushing, flossing, or regular dental visits. Think of it as a supplement workout for your gums. Thank you for joining us in this session of Healthy Dental Practice series. If you have any question about integrating holistic care with modern dentistry, drop them in your comment or visit us as Dr. Sheetal Gupta Dental Clinic. Keep smiling and stay healthy.